Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to clone the GitHub repo using SSH. So let's start with what is SSH protocol. SSH is also called Secure Shell. So Secure Shell is a cryptographic network protocol used for communicating over network. The usage of SSH protocol has increased nowadays because it has many advantages. For example, no repetitive authentication. So SSH removes the burden of authentication on the remote server repeatedly for every action that we perform, git clone, git push, git pull and all. And yes, it saves time. Using SSH saves a lot of time since the user does not enter credentials every time. It is secure as well because SSH keys are more secure than any password we can imagine, because it uses a million or trillion of permutations. It is almost impossible to crack the SSH key. So it has few disadvantages as well. For example, setup cost. The initial setup for SSH is a bit complicated and time consuming, which in turn leads to the higher cost, but it's just a one time effort. And the firewall restriction, the second disadvantage is advantage is firewall restriction. So firewalls and proxy server generally restrict SSH communications. So but we have more advantages over disadvantages, so we use SSH protocol. So the next one is how to establish git SSH authentication. First of all, we need to generate the pair of SSH keys. To generate the pair of SSH keys, we have a command. Let me show you. Let me clear the screen. So we have SSH hyphen keygen. So we can simply hit this command, or we can pass some parameters. For example, -t, it is for type, which type of key we want to generate, whether DSA or RSA. So well, RSA is public key crypto system, so we are going to generate the RSA. So provide that key type, and then we can provide the comment as well using -c tag. So here we can provide any comment, for example my key or username, anything you can provide. So then hit enter. So okay, it will ask you where do you want to save the key. So well, I want to save my key in the default location, so I'm hitting enter. So I have already created one key, so it's asking me to whether I want to overwrite it. Yes. Enter passphrase. It is asking me to enter any password, so I'm not entering any password, so I'm simply pressing enter. So here the same passphrase again, same again, enter. So it has generated the SSH key. So we can see our SSH key under the location of let me show you the where the SSH key has been generated. So well, the location is ls-l, and where the key has been generated. So we are, the public key has been saved in this location. So go to this location. So here you can see this ID RSA pub. So we are going to use this ID RSA pub. So do just cat and this location and ID underscore RSA dot public key. So here the key has been generated. Simply copy this key and paste this key and go to your GitHub account, go to settings section, and here you will find the SSH and the JPG keys. Enter this, hit this, and I have already added my SSH key, so I'm removing this one, and I will create the new SSH key. So give any key, my key I have given, and here the SSH key I have pasted. Add SSH key. So key has been added successfully. Now go to your repository. So let's clone this repository. Go to code and under SSH section, copy the URL, go to your terminal. Here simply write git clone and paste the URL. Okay, it is already exists, so let me remove this one. Let me clone it again. So it is cloning. Okay, so it has cloned it successfully, it has done. So sometimes you may get the error connect to git host github.com port 22 operation timeout. So in that case, simply open go to this location where your .sh folder is located. So go to this section and open the file, config file. So I'm just copying this location and go to config file, and here simply add these lines, or I will paste these lines in my comment section as well, and save this file, and it will run successfully. That's all. Thank you.